Today, class, we're going to talk about high school. Well, more like your experience in high school. So, who would like to go first? Jayla?
High school is high school.
No, seriously.
High school is about learning about yourself and your aspirations.
Hi, you should join track.
Do you want to join ping pong?
You want to join the soccer team? Or no?
You should join the choir.
You should join softball.
You should join the cheerleading team.
Oh, I actually like cheerleading. Go Eagles!
Good job, Jayla. You actually participated today.
Well, since I participated, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay.
I'm not coming back.
Anybody else want to go?
I'll go.
Okay.
High school is about experiencing new things.
When I found you, I found somebody who cares. When I found you.
So, the teacher tried to give me, like, illegal drugs today.
You like weed or like?
It is illegal drugs.
And that's how you find the circumference of a pineapple. Alright, class dismissed. See you tomorrow. And Bobby, I need you to stay after class for a second. Hi. So Bobby, I was wondering if you want to meet my friend Molly.
I don't get it. Who's Molly?
My friend Molly? Molly, right here?
I'm really sorry. I have to go to third period. But my parents saw me say no, so I didn't take it.
I got you. Well done.
Thank you for sharing that interesting story, Bobby. Where do you think you're going?
The cheerleaders have to leave for regional, so.
So who wants to go now?
Well, I guess high school is like a balancing act. I mean, there's like so much to do in so little time, and you have to get it all done.
I'm taking it slow, feeding my flame, shoveling the cards of your game, and just.
Oh, okay. Get used to it. Ryan, I think it's your turn to go.
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
So, Ryan, what is high school to you?
Well, for me, I'm kind of a social guy, so making friends and making connections and social connections is just what high school's about.
You trying to have some of this? Hey, you trying to have some of this? Okay.
Which entails...
Well, I don't know.
Which helps you in the real world?
That's an understandable point. I see where you're coming from.
So, there's two people left. Which one would like to go? Would you guys like to rock, paper, scissors for it?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. To me, high school's about preparing you for college with academics and courses.
Yes, I agree with that statement, Maddie.
Hey guys, did you get on that test?
Not something good.
50 out of 50. How did you?
So we saved the worst for last. Jennifer, would you like to go?
Oh, excuse me. Well, high school is like all about growing up. And yeah, just becoming a person and maturing in the world.
Ah, I spilled it. It looks like she peed.
Grow up, please. Oh.
That's beautifully put, Miss Jennifer Davis. Thank you.
Well, that concludes today's lesson, guys.
Where's Jayla?
Oh, she's not coming back.
Well, someone should tell her that next week we'll be learning about language and literacy.
Oh, so I'm not gonna need this. Oh, okay. Well, I got chapter 5 anyway. I'll just leave it there. Sorry.
Alright, class dismissed, guys.